got the hiccups. Look at him.
Oh, they stop? No more hiccups?
I think you cured his hiccups.
You did it. Good job, big brother.
Yeah. That's his eye. You got an eye right there. Yeah, you got an eye right there. You have two eyes. Right there. Two eyeballs. Two eyeballs. You got two eyeballs. You have two eyeballs.